Okay guys, I don't even know how to begin this video because I'm just so overly excited and I don't even know where technically this cocktail belongs. I think it belongs in one place, it could belong in two, but either way, they both have one thing in common. It's a Disney cocktail, and it's not any Disney cocktail, and it's an iconic Disney cocktail that I think you can find in any place around Disney World. I don't know about Disneyland. But in Disney World, if they serve alcohol, they serve this cocktail. So I'm so excited to do it. I swear, I feel like a little kid, like getting a treat from the candy store or something like that. I don't know why I'm so overly excited about this one. We're going to do the Glow-tini. Yes, blueglow-tini. You can get it anywhere in Disney World. And now you can get it at home because I'm going to show you how to make it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's do it. Are you ready? Hey, got my Disney World shirt on. Hey, okay. So, the first thing we're going to need is going to be citron vodka. We're going to need an ounce of that. I've had recipes where I didn't have citron vodka. I literally just use regular vodka and just a little dash, like a little of lemon juice. That's it. And it worked perfectly. So don't sweat it. If you don't have it, just put a little of lemon juice in there. So that's 1 ounce of that. And then we're going to do a ½ ounce of blue carousel to get our fun little blue flavor in there. Oh, don't spill. Don't spill. Okay. Do this closer to the shaker. There we go. Yes. And then the next ingredient we have is going to be another ½ ounce of the peach schnapps. It's going to be one of those drinks where it's going to be nice and fruity. My sister should like this one. She likes the drinks you can't taste the alcohol. It's been so long since I've had one. Like, I'm so excited. You ever get so excited about something you can't fully remember it? So I'm so excited about this I can't remember how it tastes. Like, it's weird. I'm such a dork. Okay, never mind. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is going to be, oh crap, I mixed it up. Wait. Oh crap, I have my lime juice here and then my homemade sweet and sour here and crap. I think it's this one. Shoot. That one has more. I'm gonna have to taste this. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Oh, that's just lime juice. Okay, it's this one then. So this is an ounce of fresh sweet and sour mix. Alrighty. And then we're gonna do just a ½ ounce of pineapple juice. And that's it. But before I shake, I'm going to put it to the side. I'm actually, shockingly, going to actually dress a cocktail. I'm actually going to put the garnish on there. Yes, because I actually have it. And a bunch of people say it's not the same without the garnish because it actually makes a difference from what they say. So we're going to be a part of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to put sugar all around the rim. Now, I was going to use this glass because it's traditionally in a martini glass, but if you see my martini glass is from the 50s, it's so tiny that it doesn't... What am I cute? What am I cute? My glow-up cube. It's literally the entire drink. Like, I'll get 2 sips. Yeah, no, I'm good. No, if Disney gave you this and then asked for $18, I think we'll all be freaking pissed. No. So, unfortunately, we're not going to use you. I think this fits better, right? Yeah, I think this fits better. So, I'm going to dress this glass. Ooh, sorry. That's really loud. Sorry, guys. Sorry. So, then what we're going to do is the actual lime juice I have, I'm going to put here. A little here. And then my sugar, I'm going to put in here. There you go. Yeah, don't have any official bar stuff yet. Hopefully I'll get some soon. So what we're gonna do is, this is all you do. just wet the ends and then, oh my God. All right, I got too, that's too much, and you're still doing it. Let me just do it like this. That's a lot of sugar. I don't need that much sugar. You got enough sugar in the cocktail. I don't like the rim to overpower it too much. It's a lot. That's just my preference. Okay, get out. All right, I think that's good enough. All right, I think that's good enough. Okay. Let's use this side for a sec. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our cocktail, carefully add some ice, and here we go. I'm so excited. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna set this to blue. I got this from a cocktail at the Grand Floridian. Yes, take the cubes when you get your $18 drink. It comes with it. Keep the cubes. Let's do this. Wait. How do I? Blue, blue, blue. Ah, there you go, blue. It doesn't go, or else I just don't know how to do it. Oh shit. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's doing it. Okay. Ah, it's not blue, but it's going crazy with the colors. My excitement is just shaking the cocktail up. Okay. It's cold. It's cold. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready. Oh my God, so perfect. Good thing I didn't put it in the other glass. Oh, perfect. It's more green, but then again, I do have the color lights in there, so that's probably changing the colors a little bit. But it's so pretty. Like, it's so pretty with, move. With the sugar rim. Why did it stop glowing? Should I be dirty and put my fingers in there? It stops glowing. Go. Go. Okay, we're gonna do this because that's part of it. It's the Glow-tini, and I actually have it. So we're gonna make this cocktail 100% correct. All right, I actually have the rim and I have the ice, so let's just do it. Okay, I'll take you out. Okay, you down. Okay, please work. Okay, please work. Oh, yes. Oh, God. You're still working. Cool. Okay, now blue. Yes, green. I want it blue. 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 Okay, changing colors, but can we say the blue? Blue. 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 Okay. Here we go. Oh my God, that's so pretty. Oh my God. What? I'm sorry. That is prettier than when Disney serves it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Look what I did. Oh my God, look how pretty. Look how pretty it is. That's not how it look in Disney. It's probably because the way my glass is. It's not a martini glass, but look, it's so pretty. Oh my God, it's so pretty from every angle. It's so pretty. Okay, taste. Let's see. Oh, yep. I'm in the theme park. Yes. Oh my God. It tastes like juice. My sister would love this. Amanda, you would love this. It tastes like juice. What in the world would put you in a better mood right now than having something that tastes so refreshing and puts you mentally back in your favorite spot. And then also it's so pretty. Oh my God, it makes me look prettier. Oh, smiles. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm gonna stop because I could just keep saying this over and over again. I'm just gonna enjoy this cocktail. I really hope you guys enjoy it too. I hope you guys fly in a blue cube like this or one. It's just fun. Come on, when we're kids, we love like fun little stupid things. That's why we're Disney fanatics. Little things like this make our life. Yeah, look how pretty. And then it's like a hint of purple on the top where the sugar is. All right, I'm gonna stop. You guys make this, have some fun, give yourself a little break, and give yourself a little smile. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Cheers.